Did you know that according to Kemkominfo, Indonesia is the 10th largest country for e-commerce growth with 78% growth and ranked first, and is increasing after the pandemic due to people's habit of shopping online only at home. However, because they only shop at home and cannot try on fashion products, consumers often give bad judgment to sellers because the fashion they have bought is not suitable for them, even though the seller has provided the best service. In addition, with more and more fashion products being sold, it makes it more difficult for consumers to choose suitable products and waste a lot of time just comparing products from one store to another, just to get the same product at the lowest price. This proves the research by Chung Lee in 2003, who said that one of the main issues of concern is the intangibility of online purchases, because customers cannot try the product, making it difficult for customers to get a product that suits their wishes. This increases the risk of purchase and reduces service quality. And in a study by Zhen Xiaochen in 2019, it said that thus consumers are less likely to buy a product if they are not sure whether the product matches their life values or not, because consumers cannot try the product experience online.
Therefore, we from arvigo team are here to solve this problem. Let me introduce you to our team. There's myself, Giskar, Yusuf, Safrisal, Andre, Irfan, and Rio. And let me introduce you to our advisor, Kak Hanif and Kak Puspa. We are proud to introduce Arvigo. Arvigo is an app that will solve the customer's problems to find the best fashion products recommendations and find the best deals.
Let's see how to use the arvigo application. First, we will get acquainted with the arvigo application and register. Then, we enter the homepage and do a test to find a product recommendation based on the shape of the face. Then, take a photo or upload an image. After that, the application will recommend product based on the user face. After finding the product, user can try the product virtually, three-dimensionally with the augmented reality in arvigo. To try different colors, the user will be directed to the subscription page and make a payment. In addition, user can take a personality test to get the product recommendation based on personality. User will fill in all the questions and find out the result of their personality. User can also find out product recommendation based on the user input using the arvigo search engine with machine learning integration.
Arvigo Mitra is a platform where sellers can easily register and familiarize themselves with the system. Once registered, sellers can access the home menu to track numbers of visitors and monitor the status of their offers. To showcase the products on Arvigo, sellers can create compelling offers by selecting relevant product categories and available items. They can upload product photos that accurately and provide detailed information of each product. Additionally, sellers can include links to their online or offline stores based on the product being submitted. Once everything is complete, sellers can submit their offers and await review by the Arvigo admin.
In mobile development, we use Jetpack Compose to simplify and speed up the process of creating Android UIs by using declarative and functional approach. Retrofit to make it easier for developers to consume APIs in efficient and structured way. CoinDI is a library used to implement dependency injection. Next, we use TPR SDK for integrate augmented reality into application. Here's a variation of the technology used to develop the machine learning. Pandas are used for pre-processing tabular data such as personality datasets from personality tests and used in search engine models. NLTK is used for text pre-processing in search engine models and for determining the similarity between user queries and product data. TensorFlow is used for determining whether a face image is present or not. It's also used to build facial remark model with 81 points and pre-process image before classify the face shapes. Skitlearn is used for feature extraction in the search engine using TF-IDF vectorizer and for splitting datasets into training and tests. Flask is a web framework used for building the backend of the application. It handles the HTTP requests, routing, and serving the machine learning models and RESTful APIs. For the development of augmented reality, In the application, we use JPR Studio as an augmented reality development platform and Blender to create 3D product assets. In the backend of the application, we use Golang with Eco framework to develop a backend that has high performance and efficiency. To enhance caching functionality, we use Redis to utilize fast data storage, because Redis stores data in random access memory. In our websites, we use Laravel so we can develop websites quickly and efficiently. In cloud architecture, we use Google Kubernetes Engine to manage containerized workloads. We use the CI/CD methods with Cloud Build. We use the Cloud SQL for the database management, Cloud Storage for the data storage, Cloud DNS so the application can be visited using a domain that's easy to remember by user.
The project milestone until the end of 2023 starts in June. We will optimize the application and add some augmented reality to the product in arvigo. In August, we ensure that the application is free of bugs and launch the alpha version of the application to be evaluated. In September, we will recruit several developers to help develop the application based on the evaluation of the upper version and digital marketing for marketing the application. In October, we partnered with a fashion product manufacturer so that we can create an augmented reality based on their products. In November, we will launch the beta version on the Play Store and be used by the public. In December, we will pitch the venture capitalists and investors to secure funding for arvigo's operations. The budgeting with the application of $5,000 is as follows. This fund will be used mostly for operational development and marketing. The budgeting with full allocation of funds at $10,000 is as follows. We do the effectively of funds by using funds on strategic needs at arvigo. The sources of income at arvigo are subscription from users, advertising fees from arvigo's partners, augmented reality technology integration service, 3D product asset design services, funding rounds, grants, and soft loans. With 3 effectively priorities. The expectation with $5,000 fundings is a 6 months runway with 10 headcounts, and the expectation with $10,000 fundings is a 1-year runway with 20 headcount.
Let's compare it to similar existing apps, namely Auglio from Germany, which is a virtual try tool that allows customers to try products using a camera. iPrice from Malaysia, which is an app to find the best deals when shopping online. And Perfect from Taiwan, which is a product recommendations and trial app using only a camera. Arvigo is the first application to have 7 features in one application, making it easier for customers to get product recommendations and the best deals, and making it easier for the SME to improve service quality and attract more customers.